Hello guys, today we are discuss about by Google Storage and how to create a Gmail account. First of all open we discuss about Google Storage. Let's see. First open Google account. Okay, like this. Now you open payment subscription. uh, this one. Now you open payment subscription. Now you scroll down. This one, account storage. Your account storage is shared across Google services like Drive, Gmail and Photos. I open this. You are got 15 GB of storage. Your storage is shared across Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photo. Manage your storage by freezing up storage to get more storage with Google One. Okay, now we scroll down. This is some plans. If you register first time and your account is new, then Google give you 15 GB as a free trial. If you need more storage for your usage, then you purchase this plan. This plan name is basically this plan name is basic. In just $2 per month, we get 100 GB storage from Google. 100 GB of storage according to Google experts share with up to 5 other extra members benefits. Okay, now stranded. If you purchase more storage than you purchase this plan, in just $3 we get 200 GB per month. Okay, now Google One include 200 GB of storage according to Google experts share with up to 5 other extra member benefit and 3% back in Google Store. Okay, if you want more storage and unlimited, then you purchase a premium plan of Google Storage. In $10 we get 2 TB, means 2000 GB of Google Storage. Okay, 2 TB of storage. Google One include accessing acro access to Google experts shared with up to 5 other extra member benefit 10% back in Google Store. Google Workspace Premium VPN for Android and iOS. This is a monthly plan. Now we discuss annually plan. Annually plan is recommended. A basically plan 100 GB and yearly in just $20. Google One include 100 GB of storage access of Google Experts share with up to 5 other benefit extra member benefit. Standard plan in yearly 29, means $30 per year and save 16% billing annually. Okay, and this plan you get 2000 GB in just $100 annually. Okay, if you want, then you get start and add your payment method and buy this. Now, how to use this storage? First of all, if you have photos, then you open Google Photo. Okay, okay. Now I upload already some photos. I uploaded more photo. First of all, we open upload option, this one. Okay, now we open computer. If your photo have in computer, then you open this. If your photo is already uploaded on drive, then you open this folder. Okay, I open my computer. Okay, now we upload my photo. I open my computer folder. Now we open my picture. Now open my photo who upload I am in Google Drive. This one, this is upload on my Google Drive photo. Edit today. You also see your date, what photo you upload on Google once day. Oh, sorry, once day. Okay, this is a Google storage. Now we are create Gmail account. First of all, we open a Opera menu. Now we search on Opera menu Gmail, create or Gmail sign up. Okay, now we open first web, this one. Sign up for a Google Gmail account. Go to Google account creation page. Follow the step to screen to set up your Google account. Use the account your create account. Okay, create a Gmail account. To sign up for Gmail, create a Google account. You can use the username and password to sign in to Google and other Google products like YouTube, Google Play Store, and Google Drive. Sign up for Gmail account. Go to the Google account creation page. Follow the step to screen. Okay, use the Gmail account to use. Okay, this is some tips of Google account. The username I want is taken. You would not be available. You not be able to get a current Gmail address if the username you required is already being used, very similar to exacting username. For example, if example alpha@gmail.com already exists, you cannot use example1 gmail.com, the same as a username that someone used in the past and then detected. Reserved by Google to prevent spam or abuse. Someone is impressionably me. If you believe someone have created a Gmail address to try impersonated your identity, you can file a report with the Internet Crime Center. Contact your state office of consumer protection. Unfortunately, Gmail is unable to participate in mediation involving third party. Okay, I create my Gmail account. First of all, I open this. Some loading. Okay, first of all, we enter my name, your first name, then last name, then your username is different. Okay, now password is not same on your username. I create my password. Now next, now verify your phone number for your security. Google want to make sure it really you. Google will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Okay, first of all we select your country, means this one. If your country is China, now we select this. If your country is Pakistan, then you select 92. If your country is India, then you select 91. And if your country is US, then you select 1. When you enter your phone number code, your phone number, then Google send you a verification code. Then you enter here code, then your Gmail is created successfully. Thanks for watching. Next video we discuss about Google storage, how to increase your Google storage.